Welcome back, Flare community. With the launch of the Songbird network, I've been increasingly asked the same question numerous times. Where will I receive my Songbird token? Where will I receive my Spark token? And that's what we're going to cover today. But before we jump in, I would just like to give a recap for those who are wondering if they will receive the Songbird token. So here we have this infographic which I created, and the first initial step is to identify if you held XRP during the time of the Flare network snapshot, which was the 12th of December 2020. If you was not, sorry, you will not receive the Songbird token. In addition, if you bought the Spark IOUs, this in no way gives you eligibility to receive the Songbird token. So with that being said, let's assume that you held XRP at the time of the snapshot. The next question is, where did you hold the XRP? Now, if you held it in self-custody and you also went through the claim process, you will have actually claimed for the Songbird token without even knowing, because the Songbird token was not announced at that time. If you did the claim process by the deadline, which was the 11th of June, you will receive both the Spark token and the Songbird token. And we're going to get into where you're going to receive them in a moment. If you held XRP at the time of the snapshot on an exchange, it depends if the exchange is supporting the Songbird airdrop or not. If they are not supporting the airdrop, then you will not receive the Songbird token. If they are supporting the Songbird airdrop, then you will receive the Songbird token. Now, it's important to note that the exchanges will receive Songbird regardless, which means even if they don't initially announce support for it, they may do at a later date. Whenever you deposit assets into someone else's wallet which you don't have access to, you give up control of your assets, and you're at the mercy of the person who owns that wallet. So let's answer the question, where will the Songbird tokens arrive? If you held XRP on an exchange which is supporting the Songbird airdrop, the Songbird tokens will appear in your Songbird wallet. Now let's talk about self-custody, because this is where I get the majority of the questions. If you went through the claim process, you will have set an Ethereum address to your XRP Ledger account. In doing this, you said that this particular address which I have linked to my XRP account is one which I have access to. And that is obviously on the Ethereum network. Now, it's important to note that the Spark token is the native asset of the Flare network, which means that you can't hold it on the Ethereum network. Just like you can't hold Songbird on the Ethereum network, or Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. They are their own separate networks, okay? So the Ethereum address which you linked, which you have access to, either via a private key or a 24-word secret phrase, is the exact same access that you will use on both the Flare network and the Songbird network. So for example, if you had a private key for the Ethereum address you linked, you will be able to use that very same private key to access the account on the Songbird network. So your Ethereum, your Songbird, and your Flare network address will be the same. You will access them with the same credentials. You will just be connecting to a different network. Your Flare network wallet will receive the Spark token, and your Songbird wallet will receive the Songbird token. Now, these will be created when the network launches. So to summarize, if you were holding XRP in self-custody and you went through the claim process, when you linked your Ethereum address, you said that you have access to this account. And if you have access to that account, you will also have access to both the Flare network account and the Songbird account too. All you will be doing is connecting to a different network. It's that simple. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.